Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going barefaced because it's super hot here in Texas. So yeah, by the way, I have to record more videos after this, and it's on makeup tutorial, so yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and straight on to the video really quick because I have a lot of things to do today, and pretty much I'm just showing you the new AOA products from Shop Miss A. I did get all the new products, and also I got an extra for the giveaway. So if you want to see what I got and how they look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'll be showing you first like the little extras and everything that I've received. I know one of y'all were asking me over the contour palette, and some of y'all been asking me about a little bit of more of the things that I bought. So I did repurchase the AOA Studio in beige. I feel like this makes my face look matte and my makeup lasts all day for some reason. I am going to do my favorite dollar products very soon, and it's not only going to be from Shop Miss A, it's going to be from all the websites that I do purchase my products from. So I'll be doing that video soon. But anyways, if you want to see that video super soon, if you're interested in a video like that, let me know in the comments below. But that's a repurchase. Okay, you already know I do really love their AOA lip locks. Like every time someone tells me what do you recommend from Shop Miss A, 100% recommend their lip locks. So I did get this one in burnt, and burnt is just a dark brown. I think this one for the fall time is gonna be really awesome. And the other one, the shade brick, I'm always dropping stuff, is in the shade brick. Brick is just a really bright red. I don't know, lately I've been so much into bright reds. I did purchase some of their AOA liquid lipsticks. I did get a concealer. I got it in the shade highlighter. This is just a white concealer. You already know I've been using white concealers for eyeshadow bases. They make your eyeshadows pop way more, so I got another white concealer. And I did purchase the color Vibing as a liquid lipstick. I purchased Bombshell, and I purchased Sugar. I really love Sugar. Oh, one more, and it is in the shade Blogger. I feel like Blogger, I purchased it before. I don't know why, but I can't find it nowhere, so I purchased Blogger. And I Amuse tinted brow gel in ebony. I did pick up one of their new palettes. This is the Zuri Flawless Shaping and Strobing Face Contouring and Highlighting Kit. This is the palette y'all were asking me about on Snapchat, and this is what it looks like. I feel like if you're like maybe light to medium skin tone, you can pull this off. Maybe I can still pull it off, but I feel like the highlighter is kind of shimmery. It doesn't give you that bright highlighter, but it's like a neutral highlighter. And the pants on these are really big. I think for $1 it is amazing. So yeah, you should pick this one up. I wanted the whole collection. I think I only missed 2 because I don't like those black colors, and there was another color that I knew I wasn't gonna use. So I have all 10 of them. I know there's 12, but like I said, I purchased 10. I got their A2O Glow liquid eyeshadow. I need to start using liquid eyeshadows for some reason, but I just don't. I just buy them and I keep them. That's it. So this one, it is in Fume. It is in Litmus. Oh, I'm really enjoying this blue grayish color. And this one, it is in Wash. It's just like a rose gold. The next one, it is in Heat, and it's just this burgundy color. I think this one for fall will be gorgeous. I need to start doing my fall makeup looks. And this one, it is in Melt. It's just a brown, dark brown. Straight on to what y'all came for. I picked up all 4 of the lip oils from AOA. I'm sorry if I keep looking over here. I just want to see that I'm in focus because I'm only using 2 ring lights, so sorry. So I picked it in peach, honey, strawberry, and apple. So I smelled all of these, and I think obviously strawberry, it is my totally favorite one. Following up with apple, just apple smells like a sour candy apple smell. I don't know how to if y'all are Mexicans or Hispanics or just speak Spanish, it smells like the manzanita soda. If in case you know what that manzanita is, it just smells like that, okay? And the strawberry, obviously, it just smells like strawberry candy. I think you get a pretty good amount of product in here. You get 0.10 ounces or 3 mils. I think I'm gonna be repurchasing these because they are kind of small, but hey, for $1, it's fine. It's fine for $1. I think I bought 4, so they're going to last me a good while. Now the peach one, it does smell kind of peachy, and the honey, oh my god, the girl, if you love that big honey smell, this is gonna be your favorite one. I think honey, it is too of sweet of a smell for me, so yeah. But I won't be trying the strawberry, obviously. Oh, here goes my mirror. And I won't just be trying to feel it in the lips. It feels soft and moisturizing. Feels like if I had a chopstick on, whatever you call it. Yeah, these are really, like, you can smell it. Yeah, you can totally smell the strawberry scent. I love that. I think I'm gonna repurchase a whole bunch on strawberry, but these are so soft. I think after exfoliating your lips or anything like that, or prior to putting a really dry liquid lipstick, these are gonna be super good. Going on to the start of the show, these are the Glow Baby Illuminating Drops. So I did purchase one for the giveaway, and I purchased one for myself. So one set is for me, and on the giveaway I'll be giving out one to each person, which I told y'all it's gonna be light, medium to tan, and deep skin tones. So this is how they look like. Now y'all get to decide, should I give out the white liquid highlighter or the pink one for light skin tones, because this one right here, I think for medium skin tones medium skin tones would totally rock this, and either this one for tan to deep skin tones, I'm not sure, or this one to tan to deep skin tones. I don't know, y'all decide which one should I put on the giveaway. But I'll be swatching some of them because I know some of y'all want to see the swatches. Just by the seams of it, I don't think y'all can see it, but it comes up to right here. That is how much product you get, I guess, because once you put the dropper in, it's, you know, it goes up. But just so you know, it does come all the way up to up here. So I mean, for $1, it is fine. And I know some people really hate that oily feel. Okay, so with the dropper in, it comes all the way to up here. So yeah, this is like an iridescent. Oh wow, it does feel oily, and this is the lightest one. That is pretty awesome for $1. So this one, it is the pink one. They don't sell these individually, but you know, I think the whole pack is totally worth it. But this is the pinky one. It's the third one. So that is the first one, the second one, and the third one. It is a glass bottle. That is really nice for $1 each. And a glass bottle, oh my god, I think that is really bomb. So this one, it is the fourth one. As you can see, this is the third one, and this one, it's in the middle, and it's lighter than the other next two. Like before this one and the next one, they are super dark, but then I think they should have done it the other way. But I'm just showing y'all the way that they put them in the package. This one is really deep. So this one, it is the fifth one. So that's the first one, that's the second one, third, fourth, and fifth. So just by looking at them, oh my god. Even the iridescent one, guys, in person, it gives you like that blue purple iridescent look. Like it looks blue iridescent. But these for $1, they are amazing. These are so worth it, even though they feel oily. But I mean, they don't feel, they feel oily, but I had tried more oily like highlighters and they're horrible. But these are super good, guys. They are pigmented, they are bright. I think these are gonna be gorgeous. I'm gonna be go ahead and trying these out soon in a tutorial. The lip oils are super moisturizing. Now let's go ahead and go straight to the mascaras. So I did purchase the skinny and the fat lash. I'm gonna be showing y'all how the wands look, and I'll be applying it, and I'll be right back after I show y'all. So this is what the white wand looks like, and it's really tiny. I did not read the the thing on Shop Miss A. I just got it. And this one, it is the little skinny black one. This one, it is the primer. Now the primer one is way different than the mascara, and I really love this mascara right here. Like, look at that. It looks like a drugstore wand, doesn't it? So I'll be applying the mascara and the primer top and bottom. So I'll be right back to see what I'm gonna do this eye, and then this one I'm gonna just leave it bare so we can see the difference. This is how it looks like. So this is with the Shop Miss A mascara, and my bottom lashes also. And this is my, okay, this is gonna be creepy. This is my lashes, and this is my lashes with the 808 mascara. So my lashes are pretty medium length. I don't know if y'all can see that like that. I don't know. I'm gonna try however I can to show y'all how they look. I'll try, but no lie, they gave me length. I don't know if it's the mascara itself, or I really love the wand for bottom lashes. It is super skinny. I feel like mostly with the big old wands, I always smear mascara under my eyes, and I think this little small wand, it is amazing for bottom lashes. It does not give you volume, as you can see. It does not give you volume at all, but hey, it's $1. I will top it off with my L'Oreal Voluminous mascara to get that volume, and I think these will be perfect everyday lashes. Like, hello, length right there, girl. So I'm loving the mascaras. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and these are the highlighters already dried down, so they are looking gorgeous. So let me know which ones do y'all want me to put. If you're light skin tone, let me know which one would you like to see in the giveaway. If you're medium tone, let me know. And also if you're tan to deep skin tone, also let me know which ones do y'all want to see in the giveaway, because I do not know which one should I put on the giveaway, because I'm really bad with choosing colors. But see, yeah, I do recommend 100% the lip oils. I think they are amazing for $1. Oh my god, I love all their new products. I 100% love them. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it. Any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. And yeah, do pick up the highlighters before they sell out. So I'll go ahead and see y'all on the next one. Bye guys.